got one. Again. We got a full grown one on, Cap. It's trying to come up. Where got it be? All right.
Ooh, good job, guys. We're getting it down.
All right. Come on, Bryson. Let's get something, baby.
There we go.
Leave it right there.
Leave it. Don't pull it up yet, sir. Let it stay down in there. Bryson's trying to get his on. Darrell is looking in anguish. What's that? Oh. It's a shark, eh? Stay over here, Bryson. Don't get him tangled up. Gotta let your stuff go down in the water.
Yeah.
Let it go down in there.
Hey, come on, Rick.
Huh? Go down in the water. You're not in the water. You're above the water.